We are not a traditional cafe. We're completely unconventional. And my Wix website really has to capture the same magic. Hi, I'm Aaron. I'm the owner of CuppaPug. CuppaPug was born out of my love for pugs. When I started the business, I had a very clear direction as to where we wanted to go and what we wanted that brand to be seen as. But I knew that the experience was going to start when people go onto the website. It was really important to me to be able to control everything myself, to put myself into it and think about what experience do I want people to have. And Wix really gave me the design control I was looking for. CuppaPug is a whole experience. People can book a place to spend some time with the dogs. You can adopt a pug through our rescue. We are an online merch store, and we are a social media viral sensation. The day we opened, we were fully booked for weeks and weeks ahead. It's wild to think that it grew so quickly. And Wix was the only platform that could move as fast as we were. We now have 4 cafes: London, Manchester, California, and Texas. So we are getting 1,200 people each day visiting the pugs. I wanted it to be a labor of love. And having people come every single day and seeing the smiles on their face, and to think, I created that? I still can't believe it. Well, was that nice?